Good morning. And I maybe have another one. So let's open it up and show you all the things I didn't need, but I bought it. So I really love DIYing. That's why I bought some items in the sale section, so it was like really cheap. And I'm really into cropped shirts, so I picked up this one. It's like a grayish blue striped color. I also got like 2 items from the Selena Gomez collection. Then another thing I bought is this sweater. The last item from this bag is also from the same collection. I swear these t-shirts are so soft. Really love the fabric. So I have the H&M app and it's great, but also not, because I love to browse through the items, and especially during the sales, it's like so much fun. So I bought a couple of items, and I know it's fall season, but it was so cute and I really love to try out different dresses, different styles. So let's start with the first one. I'm really excited for this one because I don't have any dresses like this. It's actually from the Minions Despicable Me collection. I haven't seen that movie yet. Sorry. So it's going to be like an oversized dress, but I'm going to try it on because I'm so curious. But first, I have another item, and this is a dress. I'm so excited for this one. I think the fabric feels a little bit cheap. It almost looks like a Cinderella dress. Then the last item. I love skirts like this, and I'm always wearing a check print. Even right now, I'm wearing a check print. Look how cute it is. But I'm going to try it on right now, and I'm going to show you how it looks like. So this is the skirt, and I think it's too big. I hope I can fix it because there's like a little button right here. So if I can move that just an inch, I think it works out because it's so cute. I really want to keep it. But it should have been like this. So cute. Also, this is the top, as the Selena Gomez top, and I think this color is adorable. I really love it. Can we just go back to spring because I love it. This is the next sweater, and of course it fits perfectly. That's always my struggle when I want to DIY something. I can't use anything from my closet because I want to keep it like that, and now this is so comfy. I should have gotten 2 of them. I'm such a shopaholic. This is the last Selena Gomez t-shirt, and I think it's cute. I love how long the sleeves are. So this is the button-up shirt, and it fits perfectly. It's a size 34, so I would recommend getting a size smaller in these shirts, but I think it's cute. Also, I don't know if I like this. It has pockets. This is so comfy. I would sleep in this. Also, I really love the white color. It's super cute. I don't know if you can wear it with like a belt. Maybe I should check it first. I think it looks cute. I would totally wear this. I don't know if I should like crop it a little bit. Wait for it. It's very princessy, but I'm like really girly. I love pink. I always wear pink and heels, so I think it's really cute. Also, look at the back. It's super cute with my Giambattista Valli clutch. But seriously, it looks so cute. I'm going to keep it. So that was my mini H&M haul.